Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Isha Rastogi. I know you have come here by clicking the title above in the video, and I'm sure it will worth your every single time, every single second that you will going to invest in this video. And I'm promising you that by the end of this video, you will be an entirely new person because you have a pen or paper. Take notes of everything and anything which you find relatable, which you find worth writing. I'm sure you will find a lot of things worth writing in your notebook. And of course, I also come up with a journal here, and I put up everything and anything that I wanted to talk about in the video. I conceptualize everything in 5 pointers so that you will be able to navigate by the end of the video how to proceed. It's like a complete roadmap which you can just copy paste. Again, the skills and everything would be different, but more or less the things will be same. So let's begin the video without any further ado. Okay, number one, I would talk about a right mindset. Why a right mindset is important? Because you know what, but if you're having a right mindset, you will exactly knowing where you are heading in your life, where you are going in your life, and stop comparing yourself with other. You know why? Because your chapter 1 will be entirely different from someone's chapter 20. That is very true. And there is no perfect time as such. There's nothing like a perfect time. If you wanted to start now, you can start now. It's all about your mindset. And I'm good at writing something. Like, I love to write. I have a creative head, by the way. So I thought, let's start with writing. And I started with writing. So I got my very first gig, which was 1200 rupees, and was my very first income at the age of 18 I guess. Yeah, so I was just very happy about it. And it was about making tutorials about physics. I love physics, by the way, so I used to taught online to students because it's a COVID time. So a lot of startups, there's one startup named Educatio. I don't know it's existing right now or not, but yeah, her founder gave me that thing and I was preparing content for them. So it was a very amazing experience. I used to learn a lot of things about online content creation. Although my face was not visible, my voice was visible, and I learned how to teach people, how to educate them. That is how my first gig started. And then I realized that, okay, let's talk about this gig. Let's talk about my very first salary on LinkedIn. And you know what, back then LinkedIn was a very new thing in the market. I mean, nobody talks about it, and even a lot of people were not active there as well. A lot of foreign creators were there, but no one from India. Like, very few people from India. So I just posted my first thing, like, I got my first gig, it paid me, and your first salary will be always special. Although it was not a salary, it was a contractual thing. It's a one time thing, but yeah, I just loved it. I worked with them for 2 months, and it was a good experience. I got a referral. No, it was not a referral. I got a testimonial from her, and it was really, really special for me. That's how I started. But then I navigate. Okay, right mindset, and then LinkedIn helps me at the right time to hit that right spot. Ki acha, okay, I wanted to do this one thing in my life. And you know what, I just started, like, it's just a side hustle thing. It's not at all in a main game. I was like, let's do this as a side thing, because JEE preparation was like a very whole hectic thing. So I was like, let's do this to just relax myself, and I love writing, so I started creating content there. And by the way, if you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, check the description. Which leads to my second point. My second point is building a skill, which is very important. You know why? If your skill is not, if you're not working on your skills, if you're not learning any new skills, what extra edge I got in my case was, I don't know how the things works, how the people the market works. But what actually works for me कि मैंने सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग के कोर्सेज लिए. मैंने सहेली चैटर्जी के, उस टाइम सहेली चैटर्जी वॉज वेरी न्यू. People who don't know who Saheli Chatterjee, she is this, and she talks about freelancing and social media things. She's a very good name, very big name in the social media marketing industry. So उसने भी उस टाइम पे स्टार्ट ही किया था. So I was like यार it's like let's watch a webinar and let's see her LinkedIn, because very limited creators again. So I watched her LinkedIn, I saw her and I liked her content, and I learned from her. And then I took content inspiration from Hustle Post Academy. She is also one of the renowned people in the industry. Her name is Saloni Srivastav. And then I learned from there online courses, webinars, 1 hour webinars. I took a lot of things. Net Savvy's ka webinar, Growth School ka webinar by Vaibhav Sisinti. That was my very first webinar, and it was a 4-day LinkedIn bootcamp, and it was worth my 499 rupees that I invested at that time. Whatever 1200 rupees I earned from there, I invested in my upskilling, because उस टाइम भाई 1200 रुपये खुद के कमाए was a big deal यार. ठीक है, you will also feel that special, right? But yeah, then I learned, and whatever I'm learning during the process of my online courses, I was talking about it side by side on my LinkedIn. So I was visible to other people, and which leads to my third point, which is network. Your network is your net worth, by the way. It's very true, because content creation, simultaneously building that skill, opened the gate for me for a lot of good connections, thousands of good connections, which I would never able to make in real life until or unless I was at a very good position or I was a nepo kid or something. मुझे उतने अच्छे connections कभी मिलते नहीं. So I'm really grateful for that, by the way. I'm very grateful. So क्या हुआ कि आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड, एंड देन वहाँ से मुझे बहुत सारे लोगों ने अप्रिशिएट किया, बहुत सारे लोग इंगेज करने लगे मेरे कंटेंट से, एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा एक फ्लो मिला. आई स्टार्टेड अर्ली एंड बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें होने लगी. वहाँ से मुझे मेरी पहली गिग मिली सोशल मीडिया मैनेजमेंट की, बिकॉज मेरे पास स्किल्स थी बट मेरे पास एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था. तो मेरा जो गिग था, आई वॉज जस्ट क्रैकिंग ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ माई लर्निंग्स, क्योंकि मैंने अपने लिंक्डइन में कुछ बहुत अच्छा करा था, तो आई कैन मैनेज लिंक्डइन फॉर अदर पीपल. दैट्स वॉट आई थॉट. तो my writing was good, so people used to hire me for like content writing purposes, copywriting purposes. So chote mote gigs I used to get. I got my first breakthrough through a very renowned psychologist and a couple therapist in India. She's literally an influencer right now. I would not take her name because I did not ask her about that, so I will not gonna reveal her name. But yeah, I was on the cloud 9 because it was a gig of 25,000 per month. No, 20,000 per month, and then it switched to 25,000. It exceeded to 25,000 per month, and I can't tell you in words. It was such a big deal for me. It was a very, very, very proud moment for me. And by that time, I cracked my college. By the way, I have done my engineering from HBTI Kanpur. Now HBTU Kanpur, formerly HBTI. It's one of the renowned college in Uttar Pradesh, UP. A lot of people might not be aware about it, but you can Google it, and yeah, it's a very decent college. It's a government college, and it's a very good college in India, in UP. It's like DU of the UP. So I started there, and I started doing. I managed her social media. Initially LinkedIn, then I switched to her Instagram. I managed her Instagram, and you won't believe, I worked with her for I guess over 2.5 years, जिसमें मैंने बीच में छोड़ दिया था क्योंकि फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू नो कि मुझे कैसे क्या मतलब मुझे पढ़ाई भी करनी है, मुझे अपने एकेडमिक्स भी ख़राब नहीं करने हैं. तो मैंने उनका काम फर्स्ट ईयर के 3-4 महीने आई लेफ्ट दैट वर्क. आई थॉट कि चलो लेट्स बैक टू स्टडीज़, बट फिर 3-4 महीने बाद you know how engineering things work. I figure out how to study and how to do that one last one night का जो shit होता है, and I figured out that, and I was like कि ये कर लूँगी मैं. Let's focus on my side hustle. तो मैंने अगेन कॉलेज टाइम था, सो आई नीड सम लाइक इट वाज माय मोटिवेशन टू अर्न सम मनी. So I started, and yeah, I again contacted her, and she was also eagerly, she hired few people after me, but she was not quite happy with them. She was having some ugly experiences as well. तो उन्होंने बोला कि let's again collaborate, and I was looking for you, Isha. I'm really glad you're back. तो then वहाँ से हमने 2.5 साल काम करा है. So ओके, सो आई होप यू कैन कनेक्टिंग द डॉट्स कि एक माइंडसेट के साथ स्टार्ट होता है, फिर उसके बाद बिल्डिंग अ स्किल इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पता है, बिल्डिंग अ स्किल में यू कैन पिक योर स्किल्स. इट कुड बी ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनिंग, इट कुड बी वीडियो एडिटिंग, इट कुड बी एनी बेसिक स्किल, इवन अ राइटिंग, राइट लाइक कंटेंट राइटिंग, कॉपी राइटिंग, एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए लोग राइट करते हैं. इवन पता है, डूम स्क्रॉलिंग इज ऑल्सो अ न्यू स्किल इन द मार्केट. यू कैन सी द स्क्रीनशॉट हियर. Monkey Entertainment by Ranveer Alabadia and Viraj Sheth. I know you guys are aware about them. So they are even hiring for doom scrollers. Like if you are scrolling 6 to 8 hours a day and you are good at it, so they want people who can research on content, and it's a real deal, bro. People are hiring for this. मतलब अगर तुम ये सब चीज़ें देख के इंस्पायर नहीं हो रहे हो, तो आई डोंट नो हु विल इंस्पायर यू. बिकॉज content creation एक अलग चीज़ है. content consumption is also a good thing, because then if you're consuming a lot of content, you are getting an idea about the niches, the different niches in the market, and they need that, so they are hiring for that. So now my point number 4 is कि अपना experiment से just analyze what's work for you, what's not, and तुम्हारी skills के हिसाब से उसको refine करते रहो, ट्रायल एंड एरर करते रहो. तुम्हारी ट्रैजेक्टरी तुम्हारे 20s और तुम्हारे टीन्स में ऐसे नहीं होनी चाहिए एक्सप्लोरेटरी. तुम्हारी ट्रैजेक्टरी ऐसे वाली नहीं होनी चाहिए एक्सीडिंग. इट शुड बी एक्सप्लोरेटरी, लाइक इट शुड बी रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, जहाँ पे तुम सारी चीज़ें ट्राई भी कर रहे हो, तुम्हें हर चीज़ का आइडिया भी हो रहा है, एंड यू आर जस्ट एंजॉइंग वॉट यू आर डूइंग. आई जस्ट लव वॉट आई एम डूइंग. दैट्स हाउ द थिंग स्टार्टेड. फिर उसके बाद द एजेंसी ग्रोज टू 6 figures a month. टच वुड, I'm really happy. फिर उसके बाद हम माई पॉइंट नंबर 5 इज़ अबाउट पैरेलल सिक्योरिटी. एंड पैरेलल सिक्योरिटी इज़ व्हाट, कि तुम्हारा मुझे पता था कि मुझे मतलब एक जगह नहीं रुकना. आई हैव टू फोकस ऑन अदर थिंग्स एज वेल. तो मैंने गवर्नमेंट एग्ज़ाम्स की प्रिपरेशन बाय दैट टाइम स्टार्ट कर दी थी, और मतलब बहुत सारे एग्ज़ाम्स दिए भी थे. आई गॉट फ्यू क्लियर्ड एज वेल. तो मतलब अब वो प्रोसेस बहुत लंबा है. गेटिंग अ गुड गवर्नमेंट जॉब इन इंडिया इज़ अ टायरिंग प्रोसेस एंड इट्स अ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस. बट एक मेरे लिए एक पीस ऑफ माइंड था. मेरे दिमाग में बैक ऑफ द माइंड एक सिक्योरिटी रहती. लाइक गेट का एग्ज़ाम है, और भी बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स होते हैं. कैट का एग्ज़ाम है. इट्स नॉट अ गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम. अगैन गेट में तो आप PSU कर भी सकते हो, बट कैट में यू कैन गेट अ गुड IIM, एंड सिंस आई एम हैविंग अ गुड बिजनेस बैक ऑफ मी, आई कैन get a better exposure during my IIM journey. But that never happened. As of now अभी तो नहीं है. तो ये था कि I thought कि let's not waste my time, let's utilize it. By the way, मैंने अपने academics भी इसी टाइम पर कवर किए. अपने engineering के टाइम में मैंने I'm the bronze medalist in my branch, and I'm happy for that. मेरा अभी convocation भी नहीं हुआ है. It's happening like in this 19th September, and I'll be getting a medal from governor, and I'll be posting pictures here, by the way, and you can enjoy that vlog. I can make a vlog as well if you want that. तो ठीक है, ऐसे करके मतलब सब मैनेज कर लिया था, बैलेंस कर लिया था. हर चीज़ को बैलेंस करना. ऐसा नहीं है तुमने अपनी साइड हसल पे इतना ध्यान दे दिया कि तुम्हारा इंजीनियरिंग पीछे छूट गया, या तुम्हारा एकेडमिक्स पीछे छूट गया, तुम्हारे क्लास 12 के बोर्ड्स के एग्जाम्स खराब हो गए. बिकॉज यही तो मज़ा है ना. तभी तो तुम्हें पता चलेगा यू हैव अ मल्टीटास्किंग थिंग. यू कैन मैनेज मल्टीपल स्किल्स, मल्टीपल गिग्स एट द सेम टाइम, एंड दैट विल इंक्रीज योर प्रोडक्टिविटी. सम पीपल के लिए ऐसा हो सकता है कि उनको एक टाइम पे ये चीज़ करने का रहता है, बट इफ़ यू वांट समथिंग मोर, बिकॉज यू नो व्हाट, आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग. अभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आई एम नॉट हाफ वे व्हाट आई हैव इमेजिन्ड इन माई सेल्फ, बट अगैन मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ, एंड आई एम लर्निंग and I'm evolving. So that's what I wanted to say out loud. just don't just compare your chapter 1 with someone's chapter 20 again, क्योंकि तुम्हारा अगर स्क्वायर 1 अभी है तो किसी का वो स्क्वायर 20 है, तो ऐसे कंपेयर मत करना, ना ही मुझसे ना ही किसी और से इंटरनेट पे. just have your will कि हाँ I can do this. and if I will be starting now, never, like कभी भी कुछ लेट नहीं होता है, you are never too late. You can start now and you will be reaching your goal very soon. Okay, by the end of the video I wanted to tell you हाँ ओके, अगर if any of the points, अगर तुम्हें किसी चीज़ पर डिटेल अपडेट चाहिए, you can just let me know in the comments and I can make a video series of it. And I will talk about a lot of other things like a career building and a career growth, also a lot of my personal things like my skin care and everything, because I love that thing. तो मैं उसके बारे में बात करूँगी. And yes, that's all about this video. And if you like this video, just hit that subscribe button, like my video and give it a good thumbs up, share it with your